Hey there, Venture Seekers. This is the first time we're going to be doing a video with this particular camera. It's the Insta360 One X2 360 degree camera. Today we're going to do a problem that most Class A RVs have, and that is a lack of storage space for the sewer hose. Now, there's a lot of options. I've seen people put stuff here on the door to their wet bay to hook up the sewer hoses, and I've seen people do what we're getting ready to do, and we're going to take a couple of 5x5 vinyl fence posts, mount them underneath the RV, and have a nice out-of-the-way sewer storage method. Now, I like this idea a lot better than using a bag or a tote, because that still goes inside the compartment and, well, kind of stinks. So let's get into it. Now, as you can see, we've already got one mounted here underneath. Goes all the way back there. Take the cap off so you can see inside. Nasty sewer hose. We're going to mount another one now, and we're going to show you how it's done. It's really simple. Just probably about 50 bucks or so worth of parts. Have a list of everything in the description below. Let's go install this new sewer holder. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our new pole here, or post rather, get the plastic off of it. Now I got the 5x5 for a reason, and that's because this Rhino hose has a end that doesn't come off on one end, so a 4x4 wouldn't work. And I went ahead and got the 8 feet, even though I didn't need 8 feet, obviously, as you can see here, simply because I'm going to be doing something else with the extra hose, because it doesn't need to be super secure. So let's get it cut. And for the first time in a long time, when I'm doing one of these videos, I actually have a halfway decent saw. So here we go. And there we got it cut. And no, it's not straight, but yes, that's okay. So all I gotta do is mount this back here now. I've got another one of these caps to put on it. My door here keeps the cap secure when I'm going down the road, so I don't have to worry about it. So all we need now is we have some L brackets, which we're going to kind of mount just like that on each end, and that'll be it. It's just quick and simple install. So all we got to do is connect these two together, since this one's already mounted pretty securely. Again, these aren't holding a ton of weight, so it's not like you need 1,000 brackets and screws. Plus for my application, they're actually sitting on a metal bar here and in the back. So pretty easy solution. And I'll cut these sheet metal screws off so I don't damage anything. And now we just need to attach the other end, which we're going to be using one of these L brackets and a couple of screws, and that's it. So let's go do that. All right, thanks to some weather difficulties and camera difficulties, I missed it. But here's the L bracket screwed in. You got it screwed in here and against this back plate here. This is attached to here, and that's it. So that was easy. Now we could put all our sewer hoses in here. And I said earlier that I had bought the 8-foot, even though I obviously couldn't use the 8-foot section here. And that was because I'm going to be using pieces of that for my Starlink antenna mount, which is a telescoping antenna. So I'm going to be able to put that under here as well. Now, technically, it would fit in one of these 5x5 with the sewer hose, but nah, that's just nasty. So quick, simple install, frees up space inside of your basement compartments and frees up some stink from in there as well. So if you like to try this, go for it. I got links in the description below for all the different products and tools you'll need. And if you'd like to help us help Christian-based veterans charities, take a look at the description below as well to see the many different ways you can help us out in that regard. And as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. Give us a thumbs up, and may your next journey be an epic adventure. Bye.